everybody, welcome back to my channel. Razzle dazzle, been dyeing yarn. Now I'm taking a little bit of a break for the New Year's, but this is how the colors turned out. And I'm really excited about these colors that I dyed. Some of these are like just solid colors. And this is the one that's speckled. So what I thought I would do with these colors, I already started crocheting, and I'm gonna make a blanket with all of these yellows and greens. So I'm starting to do that. And this is how far I got. And the colors are slowly gonna change. I'm just kind of doing my own little thing. A mindless crochet blanket. I think they call it a moss stitch with the half double. That's kind of what I'm doing. And I use a 3.5 millimeter hook. But I wanted it to be easy and fun. So I just chain one, skip one, and do a half double crochet, and just chain one, skip one, half double crochet. And that's what I've been doing throughout the whole thing. And I'm going to call it my Margarita blanket. So this is going to be my Margarita blanket. And hopefully I can make a blanket kit. This is all hand dyed in the greens and the yellows. And we're just going to have to see how it turns out. That's what I got so far for my Margarita blanket. I might have to add another color. We'll see what I come up with to give it some pizzazz. But you see how this is light and then it's going to start getting darker. So that's what I'm doing, celebrating the new year, going into 2026. I got to get busy in the kitchen. We're going to have shrimp and fish. And I'm going to make crabby bread. which is just crab meat, and you mix it with like some buttery, lemony goodness with some garlic, and then put it over Texas toast with some cheese. That's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, this is what I got going on for the new year. And I decided to have me a limerita. We're gonna have a limerita for the New Year's, to bring in the New Year's. My drink of choice, limerita, for the Margarita blanket. Just something easy. But this will be my first blanket done in all the hand-dyed colors, with the ones that I've been working on. And I'll probably make a blanket kit. I think I can get up to 10. We'll see how far I get, but I think I need to add another color. And I'm thinking about doing white and then mixing some yellows and greens in the white. That'll be the sugar or salt on the rim of the glass, to give it that pizzazz. Yep, so this is what I'm working on now. I think it's going to be a pretty good size blanket. A nice little throw. We'll see how big it gets. I'm just doing a moss stitch. Nothing too crazy. Keeping it very simple. And just kind of doing my own thing, switching up the colors. So we'll see how it turns out. And I'll be wrapping up some more yarn. I do plan on dyeing some more. So yeah, that's how I'm bringing in the new year. Working with the greens and the yellows. I think it'll be very interesting. Matches with my margarita, my limerita. So I hope everybody has a wonderful New Year's Eve. And I got to get to cooking in the kitchen, breaking out the seafood. We just watched an episode of Fallout on Prime. It's a very interesting show. It's pretty good. It's based off of a video game. So that's what we've been up to, just watching shows and movies on TV. Pretty relaxed and comfortable. So yeah. It's nice and light, this blanket. The moss stitch, it's really light. I think I'm gonna like that. It'll be interesting to see how the other colors turn out. keep it kind of fun. My margarita mix. Doing my own little recipe for my margarita. And then this will be my margarita blanket. Yeah. But there's all the colors. And that was using that yellow yarn that's back there. I toned it down. And all of these colors are just slightly different. So yeah, I'm having fun with it, you guys. The margarita blanket. I'm having a lot of fun. These are the two colors I'm working with right now. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out for the new year, breaking in the new year. And then I'm going to wrap some more yarn too for Patty, because she said she wanted to do more of like the navy blue and teals and the purple and blues. So we can do that too. She sent me a card for New Year's. Thank you, Patty. I hope you're having a nice New Year's Eve. And I will be getting back to the yarny stuff once I get done cooking my New Year's meal. So yeah, I had to take a little bit of a break. I'll be cooking something else up. It's not going to be yarn this time. We're doing seafood. So, yeah, I'm getting hungry, you guys. I'm ready to make me a nice seafood meal for New Year's. That's what we normally do. It's kind of a tradition to break out the seafood for New Year's. So yeah, that's what we're up to. And we're just going to relax, watch some nice movies and TV shows. What have we been watching? I know we've been watching Stranger Things and Fallout. We were watching John Carter last night. That's on Disney Plus. That's a really good movie. So yeah, we're just relaxing, taking it easy, staying in the house where it's nice and warm. I decided to put my poncho on and wear my poncho for New Year's. It's more of like Mardi Gras colors, but hey, whatever. It's the new year. We can do whatever we want. My Margarita, poison of choice. Yeah. Next year I'm going to have to get my teeth fixed. That's the next thing I have to do. I've been putting it off. I'm not ready. But yeah. Gotta get my teeth fixed. And I've been putting it off. I'm like, I'm gonna wait till next year. Well, next year is here now, so. So yeah, that's what I got going on. Movie time. Margarita blanket time. And we're just gonna relax and have a nice seafoody meal. So I hope you guys are staying warm, and whatever crochet projects you're working on, I hope it's going good. And I'm hoping that you guys are having a nice meal and a nice little New Year's drink. And I guess I'll see you guys next year, because tomorrow it's gonna be 2026, and I don't even know if I'll be awake to see the ball drop. Usually I'm passed out by that time. I can't stay up that late. So yeah, I try. Sometimes I try to stay awake to see the ball drop. We'll see what happens. All right, you guys take care. Bye.